People often have heard many things about the Hare Krishna movement, some good, some bad. People often question, is the Hare Krishna movement a cult? The Hare Krishna movement is based on ancient Vedic teachings, teachings which are 5,000 years old, teachings which have been practiced in India for thousands of years. Sometimes in the world we're living in, something which is quite new, something which is quite different to what we normally see and what we normally experience can cause uneasiness. Therefore, coming out in the world and wearing orange robes and having shaved heads and chanting, although quite alien to maybe the Western world, is something which is very authentic in India. The Hare Krishna movement is not a cult, but rather an ancient culture, an ancient spiritual wisdom, an ancient tradition which has been practiced for thousands of years, and within which people are achieving amazing states of spiritual realization.
Within the ancient Indian tradition of Krishna consciousness, which is found in the world's oldest literature, the Vedas, in the Sanskrit language you will find the word Vigraha. Vigraha means a divine form which manifests in stone or wood or metal or paint. The difference between a Vigraha and an idol is that idol is man-made. It's based on man's conception of God, whereas Vigraha is based on God's compassion to man. It's written that God comes in many different forms, or avatars. He descends to this world and shows his character and his nature. If we make a picture of God when he comes to this world, either as a statue or a painting, then this is not idol worship. This is simply a window to allow us to see how God descends in this world. And it's the custom that everyone in their home will have a home shrine, and there they will offer lamps and incense and flowers, and in this way the whole home life, the whole family life becomes centered on one of the forms of God as he makes himself apparent in this world. It adds richness to the family life, and it's very attractive for the mind. So there's a great difference between worship of the Vigraha and worship of a man-made idol, which is expressly forbidden in other scriptures such as the Quran, the Torah, and the Bible.
What I love about Krishna consciousness is that most religions do believe that God is a person, or made in the image of God. But most religions also think that God's more like it's a person, but it's a concept. Some people even depict God as having a white beard. I mean, it's almost a bit silly. Like, if God is a person, wouldn't he be amazing and beautiful and phenomenal and, handsome and intelligent and crafty and cheeky and funny and fun to be around, charismatic, so many things, if we have these qualities, God must have all of the best of them and to an unlimited degree. So what I love about Krishna consciousness is that's exactly what it says, so the scriptures, what it says, makes sense to me. And it talks about having a real relationship. The more you chant God's name, it's just kind of like if you want to be friends with someone, you have to spend time with them. So when you chant God's name, when you chant the mantra that the Hare Krishnas chant, Hare Krishna, I mean, I'm sure you've heard it. And it's beautiful because it's just like spending time with God, with that sound vibration is like spending time with the personality that word is describing. Like the word Krishna. Krishna means that person that attracts everyone. It's perfect. It's not that Krishna is some Hindu god, or Krishna means the person that has something attractive to every single soul, no matter how different we are. For me, that's God. That's like the perfect name for God. I mean, he must be like that he must attract each of us, no matter what our taste is. So yeah, I feel like this philosophy is very real and it's very personal.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Gaura Hare Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jai Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,